Petunia, what are you doing to that box? That's my moving box. Now what am I going to do? Look at that. Now I've got a big mess to clean up. Oh. Okay, that's it. Now I've got a huge mess to clean up. I can't believe you. Yes, thanks for your help. Thanks for your help. Come here. Come here. Come on. Just don't go in the box, okay? Don't go in the box. Don't go in the box. You gonna come? Come on. We gotta go. Come on, we gotta go. You are something else. That's why I call you Busy Beak. Nothing I can do now to save this box. Here's another one of your toys. Petunia, the Destroyer. Huh? Now I know. Now you know why I give you that nickname. Petunia, the Destroyer. So sweet. But not. Okay, okay, here I come. Here I come. Here I come. Uh-oh, here I come. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Who's in trouble? Uh-oh, who's in trouble? Uh-oh, uh-oh, who's in trouble? Uh-oh, uh-oh, who's in trouble? Uh-oh, who's in trouble? Is somebody in trouble? Is somebody in trouble? Yes, somebody's in trouble. Somebody's in big trouble. Look at this stuff. Look at this stuff. What are you going to do with this stuff now? Huh? Oh, you're going to make a bigger mess? How am I supposed to clean it up? How am I supposed to clean this up? How am I supposed to clean this up with you doing all that? Come on, let's go put it on the box so we can take it away. We got to put it in the box so we can take it away. Come on, we got to do this. I got to move this stuff out. Now I have to pay a big cleaning fee. Look at you. Petunia.